Welcome to Learn Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to remove background noise in Audacity. First, you open up Audacity. Then you can click OK. And if you have an audio file, you can just drag it in. And if you don't, you can just start your recording by clicking the red record button and say something. Welcome to Learn Tutorials. This is a test. And then you click stop. And make sure you have some part where you don't say anything. So you can play it back. Welcome to Learn Tutorials. This is a test. And if you notice a buzzing sound or any type of background sound, you can highlight it. Highlight the section where you don't say anything. Go to Effect and click on Noise Reduction. And then you can leave it at the default, or I changed mine to 19 to make it a little more clearer. And then click Get Noise Profile. And then you select the whole track. You can either do this by dragging it, clicking right here, or hitting Control-A on your keyboard. Then you can go to Effect, and you click Repeat Noise Reduction, or go back down to Noise Reduction, and select OK. And you can play it back. Welcome to Learn Tutorials. This is a test. You can see that I got rid of the background noise. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.